Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to hide comments directly from your PC. This feature is perfect for maintaining a positive environment on your posts. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your layout. Click on it to reveal additional options. Now, navigate to Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Once in Settings, look for the option labeled Hidden Words. This section is crucial for managing comments and filtering out unwanted interactions. In the Hidden Word section, you will find an option to allow hiding comments. Toggle this setting on to enable the feature. This will automatically hide comments that contain offensive language or specific words you choose to filter out. If you want to take it a step further, you can also customize which words or phrases trigger the hiding of comments. This allows for a more tailored experience, ensuring that only comments that truly bother you are hidden from view. Remember, this feature not only helps in managing negative comments, but also promotes a healthier interaction space on your posts. By taking control of what appears in your comments section, you can focus more on engaging with your audience positively. That's it. You've successfully learned how to hide comments on Instagram using your PC with this new update. Enjoy a more pleasant browsing experience, and feel free to explore other settings that can enhance your Instagram journey. Thank you for joining me today.